First, you will need ChatGPT Plus. Second, press the profile icon on the bottom left of the screen. Third, select Settings. Fourth, within General, scroll down and select Schedules. Fifth, within Schedules, select Manage. And sixth, you will be able to see all of your scheduled tasks within both the Scheduled section and the Recent section as well. So you'll be able to see your scheduled daily tasks, your scheduled weekly tasks, your scheduled custom tasks, monthly tasks, annual tasks. It's a very organized section within ChatGPT Plus. Let's start by editing the daily task to have coffee every day at 9 a.m. and let's change it to have pizza every day at 12 p.m. Now, once we make this change, we'll be able to save it. And that's how you update and edit and change a daily task and keep it within ChatGPT Plus. Now let's do the same process before the weekly task, except this time we're just going to edit the name and we're going to edit the description just a little bit. So I still want it to remind me to plan my week. I'm just going to change the wording of it and I'm going to change the day and the time. So when you go down to the when section, you'll be able to change whether it's daily, weekly, you could change the day and the time as well. And this is how you edit and update a weekly task. So I'm going to update the time to 10 a.m. and I change the day to Tuesday and I'm going to save that. And that's how I edited my scheduled task for my weekly task. Now let's take a closer look at the when section when we are looking at a scheduled task. We'll be able to see that there's a daily, weekly, monthly, annually, and custom. And you'll see all the days of the week. And of course, all the times that you could select from. Now there's a very interesting feature within these scheduled tasks that we could even pause our tasks and we could also resume the task. So we could save it if we want to pause it. You'll see there's a section for pause. And if we want to resume our task, all we have to do is go back to edit it and press resume and save. And that's how we bring back that task. So if you want to pause it and unpause it, you can. Now, if you're tired and fed up of being reminded by your daily tasks, your weekly tasks, your monthly tasks, your annual tasks, your custom tasks, you could simply delete them by pressing edit on your task. Press delete and press delete again, and that will delete the reminder so you will not be reminded about this task anymore in ChatGPT Plus. So let me know your thoughts in the comments on if this video has helped you. I love that there's a scheduled task section within ChatGPT as I like to use it very often to remain organized. For more upcoming videos, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.